Ayan. Sir Torres on the move. Easy basket para Sir Torres.
Hindi nakatake yun. Ayaw nga ito gusto mo. Ayun din ang lumalabag ko sa recipe. Pa-announce mo. In-announce mo diba?
Steal by Sir Macyan. Counter steal para Sir Pranyosa. Raise it up. Sir Pranyosa. Jersey number 99, Sir John. First personal foul, first team foul. Hello, I check. First shot is no good.
Parang iba yung...
Set on 2.
Isang kamay.
Rebound by Sir Losares.
Box out na, Torres. Nice.
Rebound by Sir Torres. Sir Fernan and one play. First personal foul, first team foul.
Filter na napili
Sir Fernan.
Parang ang pangit ng filter na napili ko. Ba't mo kasi nilagyan ng filter? Eh kasi nag-start na yung bits. Napindot ko. Umitim tuloy. Alin mo na muna, cut mo na muna habang ano pa. 2 minutes pa lang naman yun. Ganyan talaga yung camera.
Sir Macyan. Rebound by Sir Torres.
Binago na yung settings.
Rebound by Sir Bronyasa. Sir Carino.
Parang mga hindi tuloy naka-jersey.
8 minutes. Sir Torres. Grabe yung side step na yun.
Laling.
Rebound by Sir Bronyasa. Foul, down there. Get the basket, Micah. One foul by jersey number 3. And that's his first personal foul, second team foul. Bonus throw para Sir Bronyasa. That is good.
Sir, number 99, tuck in po tayo, tuck in.
Sir Fernan. Assist by Sir.
Nice box out.
Rebound by Sir Losares. And there's a foul coming from jersey number 99, and that's his second personal foul, third team foul. Time remaining is 6 minutes and 58 seconds. 2 shot coming from Sir Losares. 100 is no good. One out 2.
Kuya, sa 2 points. Kuya, 2 points na lang, kuya, 2 points. 3 points.
Still by Sir Bonghahay. Sir Losares all alone is no good. Rebound by Sir Rus.
Tira na. Okay na. out, box out!
Sir Mendoza.
Philip,
Kuya, sa ilalim
mapapaw
lang
yung
po.
number 3 nyo, ayaw mag-tuck-in.
Still by Sir Bronyosa. Pass break by Sir Bungahay. Let's it up. No good. Rebound ball by Sir Torres.
Hey, bigay na!
Sir Villamor. 3.
Depensa!
Rebound by Sir Fernand. Out of bounds. Same ball. 5 minutes 5. No goal. Rebound by Sir Lazares. Pass break by Sir Bungahay. AC 2 points. 5 minutes mandatory substitution. Untuk pumasok. Steal by Sir Bocano. Sir Mendoza. Rebound by Sir Torres. First personal foul, second team foul. Sir Rules. 3 points.
Ako may sinasabi mo kanina?
Lahat kayo, patayin nyo mag-tuck-in. Pati kayo pwede. Delikado kasi sa pag hindi nakatuck-in.
Sir Fernand. 2. Sir Bronyosa. Air ball.
To! Bilaw!
Still by Sir Fernand. Is it up? Easy basket.
Setyo!
Foul. No count. Rep, no count. Pushing foul by jersey number 3. Okay, warning for penalty. Easy basket. Jersey number 3, second personal foul, warning for penalty. Still by Sir Bunganoy and Red Lion ball. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Sir Roos, 3 points. Air ball. Shot clock is down to 5. Another air ball. Rebound by Sir Luz. And out of bounds. Still. Sir Kadabuna to Sir Rodiosa. 2. Shot by 15. 1 minute. Black by Sir Rodiosa. Pakasulit para kay Sir Bogdanoy. 40 seconds. 5 seconds. Nice pass para kay Sir Ramos. But hindi na convert. Ito ay basket. 25 seconds. Sir Bogdanoy. 15 seconds. Sir Ruz. No go. Rebound para Sir Torres. No go. Pasal na maririnig nyo. Wala na.
Ikaw nag-handle ito?
Yung husband ko po dalawa kami.
Back to the ball game para sa second quarter.
Ikan ka rin.
Unit earner lang po. Pero hindi po.
Rebound by Sir Bernat.
Sa school ka rin.
Sir Torres, rebound. Receiving point.
Asmat mo ito kay nakarin ang asmat mo.
Sir Kadabuda. Foul counted. And who's foul ref? Jersey number 9, Sir Brunyosa. Second personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot para Sir Torres.
Saan pa kayo niya?
Is good.
Saan pa kayo?
Rebound by Sir Torres. Basket again. Rebound by Sir Fernand.
Ay, tatlo sila. Tatlo pala referee.
Hindi ang mananalo.
Rebound by Sir Losares.
May tumatawa.
Offensive foul.
Mark.
Para Sir Losares.
Uy, bakit mo pinapit?
Second personal foul.
Sino yun?
Hindi na nakamera. Ano yung cellphone mo?
Kay Kuya Philip po.
Hindi naman.
Ano to, tipo ako?
Sir, bili mo.
Sino yun?
Kaya mo.
Out of bounds. Around the line. Ceros 3-point. Block by Sir Torres. Sir Fernand para sa rebound. Still by Sir Losares. And there's a foul coming from Sir Fernand. Pass to Sir Rus. Rebound by Sir Losares. Kick ball. Nice pass coming from Sir Ramos. Sir Cadabuna. Grabe naman yung parang 2010 moves. May halong gulang. Sir Villamor 2. Sir Bomano. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Rebound by Sir Carino. Pasabi. Foul, jersey number 0, Sir Villamor. First personal foul, second team foul. First shot is no good. Second shot. Ready to jump for the last and final throw is good. Our official score is 35-40. I believe para sa Red Lion. Sir Fernando Migon. Wala. Ibon para Sir Fernando. Nakasagutan. Onyosa. Sir Bongano. Wala. Ibon by Sir Ramos. Sir Rus. Okay, backward violation. First up tayo, enter first up. Magbuko tayo lahat. Uy, warabog na naman.
Uy!
Spin move.
Highlights.
2 minutes and 15 seconds. Rebound by Sir Fernand. Rebound by Sir Bong Anoy. Sir Carino Moversa. Sir Rules 2. Shot clock is down again. Sir Bronyasa. Seconds, 15 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Sir Ronyosa, 30 seconds. What a sidestep. Rebound by Sir Ramos. Sir Bernal for the rebound. Sir Pasig for the rebound. Sir Catabona para sa rebound. Traveling violation. Locks.
Pero per game 900. Siyempre mahalaga yung trabaho. Trabaho ba sila? Oo. Yung certificate na
Alis lagi kami.
professional na rin. Pag di ba umuha ng tambay na rin? Hindi po ito.
Back to the ball game. 12 seconds. 12 seconds.
Bago magsimula lahat ng season, nag-aaway muna kami yan. Nagpaplano.
Sir, bili mo!
Di ba nandun ako? Di ba nandun ako? Lahat yung siya nato, lahat yung niratak.
And in the first half, our official score is 44-39.
Kapito kayo? Ika-anim lang kayo.
Dami ah.
Sir? 43 daw? Okay. 42 lang. Di ba 43?
Parang magkakasing edad. Ang lakas pa sa court, di ba? Grabe ko na. Si Papa kasi hindi nag-exercise. Meron babae. Babae yung ina-exercise. Pero nagbabasketball si Papa. Nagbabasketball siya. Para mabuhay tayo.
Sir Bronyosa. Air ball. Sir Fernand, 2. Sir Bronyosa, 3 points.
Sayang walang jersey.
Sir Mendoza for the rebound. Sir Fernand. Sir Bongano. Sir Rossi, 3 points. And one play para kay Sir Bronyosa. Foul jersey number 0. Second personal foul. First team foul. Rebound.
Uy!
Rebound para kay Sir Fernand. Para sa double-double. Sir Carino para sa rebound.
Lagamit.
Block by Sir Torres.
Bawal.
11 second shot clock. Rebound by Sir Fernand. Ang 11 rebound na yan. Sir Torres, 2. Sir Bronyosa. Out of bounds, I stepping on the line. 3 points. 5 minutes substitution. Serve anymore.
Hernani ng foul. Hernani ng foul.
Rebound by Sir Fernan. Offensive foul para kay Sir Fernan, and that's his second personal foul. Sir Bronyasa, 3. Nice pass. Rebound by Sir Macyan. Sir Fernan. Makayod ah. 15 rebounds. Na meron si Sir Fernan.
Ay, kilala kang Vince. Vince nag-chat.
And the shoot. 16 rebounds.
Ay, na-block. Ang galing.
Snell by Sir Rossi. Out of bounds, same ball, 2 minutes and 25 seconds.
Abin na siya pinakamala. Malusog ka.
Boy, di pupunta.
Sir McGraw, 2. Foul, there's number 0, Sir William Hall. Third personal foul, warning for penalty. So of 2. 1 of 2. Next game, Beige Bengal versus Brown Cheetahs. Sir Fernan, 3.
Let's ka ngayon! Awe ah!
Maski si Sir, tumawag ng traveling.
Alam ko na po nagkana kayo kay pangalan. Traveling. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina.
Uy, what a spin on the back. 2 points para Sir Brunyosa. 25 seconds.
Pag babae, traveling.
20 seconds.
Pag babae, traveling. Traveling.
15 seconds. Time to shoot. Rebound by Sir Mendoza. 5 to shoot. Out of bounds. Ball on red. Tigers. Alright. Sir Rasi. And our third quarter.
Pogi mo, kuya. Ha? Pogi mo. Wala na. Tanda na tayo.
Air ball.
Kaya pili ko ito eh. Xiaomi. Bagong labas. Kala ko po.
Balik!
Boko.
Still by Sir Brunyosa. Sir Romano, lumabas.
Pakita ko sa'yo.
Tira!
Ay,
Sir Rasi, foul counted.
Boko nga. Ayun o.
Who's foul rep? Jersey number 7. Rebound by Sir Fernan, pang 17, pang 18 rebound. Sir Rasi, foul. First shot is no good.
Salam!
Second shot is good.
Hey! Dito! Abol!
Sa QC principal nun, di ba?
Block by Sir Rasi. Out of bounds. Ang bola ay Coral.
Elementary.
Paltok High School po. Hindi ko sure kung high schooler.
Elementary yata eh.
Rebound by Sir Fernan. Foul Sir Carino. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Second. Two shot para kay Sir Torres. First one is no good.
Take time!
Rebound na naman para kay Sir Fernan. Easy 2 points. 20 rebound. Parang Dwight Howard.
Okay lang! Katukaan din.
Out of bounds.
sir yung ano, pagkalaban. Nakalaban niyo na ba yung red?
Kuya, meron sa ilalim.
15 to shoot.
Nagamit yung chan niya.
Still by Sir Losales. One is good. Down to 10.
Kuya, ilalim lang kuya.
Another steal para Sir Bonganoy. Fade away is good. Down to single digit ang inahabol. 6 minutes and 25 seconds.
Pasa sir, pasa sir. Sir, pasa sir.
Block by Sir Bronyosa. Sir Bonganoy. Kinaliwa pa.
Baka mahabol.
Ingat sir.
Shot clock is down to 10.
6, 5, 4.
Shot clock is down to 5. Sir Fernand, another rebound. You see 2 points.
Sir, translate tayo sa
Balik sa double digit ang inahabol. Still para kay Sir Fernand.
time out.
Sir Fernand. Shot clock is down to 10.
Alam mo. Sino ka naman lang ko sa akin?
Sir Mendoza.
Sino yun? Sino si Mendoza?
Gamit oras! Gamit oras! Gamit oras! Gamit oras! Gamit oras! Tres! Bang, bang! Okay lang, okay lang.
Out of bounds.
Wala na expiration.
Basket para kay Sir Mendoza. Back-to-back 2 points. 4 minutes. Seconds to shoot. Baba sa single digit ang inahabol. 13 seconds shot clock.
Ira! Tres!
Sir Fernand. Grabe. Halimaw. Foul by jersey number 99. And that's his third personal foul. First team foul. 2 shot para kay Sir Bronyosa. First one is no good. Second shot already to the jump for the last and final throw. Second one is no good again. Rebound para kay jersey number 0. Fires from 3. No good. 3 minutes. Sir Rasi nagbabadala ng bola. Nasundutan, makuha pa rin niya. Shot clock is down to 10. Nasundutan ni Sir Katabuna. Nagmamadali. On the move. Sir Bonganoy, pasa lang pala yun. 2 points. Baba sa 8. 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
Diretso!
Wala. Sir Mendoza para sa rebound. Binigay kay Sir Ponganoy. On the move. Stop and pop. No good. Sir Gadabunan. There's a pushing foul coming from jersey number 0. Sir William Moore. 1, 2, 3, 4. Warning for graduate ka na.
Yari ka.
Time out! Rebound by Sir Fernand.
Ay.
Shot clock is down to 7.
Kuya.
Tip.
Pantok yan. Akala ko kasabay na siya. Akala ko kasabay.
Shot clock is reset to 14. Sir William Moore to Sir Rus, down to 10. Down to 5 to shoot. Oh. Okay. Bola. Sir William Moore, wala. Oy, there's a pushing foul. Sir basket, baba sa 6. 6 na lang ang kalamangan, 1 minute and 13 seconds. Steal by Sir Brunyosa. Baba sa 4. 1 minute. Lamang ang Red Lion. Sir William Moore. Warning for graduate. Sir Fernand, second personal foul. Sir Torres, third personal foul. 1 minute. Last 1 minute ang nalalabing oras para sa fourth and final quarter. Makakuha ni Sir William Moore. Jump. Ang sunod ba? Hindi. Makakuha ni Sir Gatabunan. Behind the back. Binigay kay Sir Mendoza. 45 seconds. Sir Bongano. Iikot. Mabaga. Tumama sa luya. Wala nang time out.
Kami meron pa isa.
Reset 24 hindi pa pakit. Reset 24 siya. 14. 15 na din. Okay, 7.
Kung 15 na tira, 15.
Isa pa tayo. Isa pa tayo.
Wala nang time out.
Isang beses pa lang ang nag-time out. Yan pa lang.
Okay, apat na ang kalamangan, 41 seconds. Sir Mendoza, atake. On the move, hook shot. Baba sa dalawa. 38 seconds. Sir Fernand, nagbababa ng bola. Babangga, 35 seconds. Offensive foul.
5 na 5 na siya.
Seconds. Sir Gadamuna, atake, anong gagawin? Iikot, ibibigay kay Sir Bonganoy. Ibabato kay Sir Lozare. Shot like down to 18. 4-3. Wala. Bawal Sir Bakyan. And there's a foul coming from Sir Mendoza. Warning for penalty. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Warning. Isa pa.
Dalawa lang ang kalamangan, 20 seconds. Wala nang shot clock. Sir Fernand. Wala nang shot clock. 15 seconds. Sir Villamor. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. Sir Rosie. Sir Fernand. For that, nine! Time out, Red Lion! Back to the ball game. Again, 0.8 na, 0.8.
Gagi. Yes! Oh!
Oras. Oh. Sir Mendoza fires from 3. Go, go. Driven by Sir Bruce. Crossover. On the move. Wow. Penalty. Rep. Penalty tayo, Rep. 2 shots para kay Sir Rasi.
Larong-laro na yung next game. No?
Who's foul, Rep? Jersey number 9, Sir Bronyosa.
Ilan na ball ito niya sa?
Third personal foul. First shot is no good.
Kinakabahan na. Kabado na, kabado na. Kuya!
Second shot is no good. Rebound pa rin Sir Ras. Fires from 3. Wala. Rebound Sir Katakuna. Foul by Sir Torres. 1, 2, 3, 4. Warning for graduate. Warning for graduate.
Si Sir, bigyan mo ng warning sa kanila.
Sir Brojo sa on the move. Tutulog. Rebound pa rin niya. Sir Katabuna. Wala. Rebound ni Sir Macyan. Pasa para kay Sir Villamor. On the move. Lazy Rap using his left hand. Grabe yung kaliwang yun. 2 points. Servo nga ng fake, gandang fake. Kaso nga lang hindi na-convert into basket. Pass break para kay Sir Villamor. Ang bilis. Halos di ko makita.
Wait, saka kang
Sir Villamor on the move. Side stepping with a hook shot. Back to back 2 points.
kapatid ko yan!
Grabe.
Pag di nakakasin
Binuwal ang Red Lion ni Sir Villamor. Sir Mendoza. Ibibigay kay Sir Losares. Fires from 3. No, go. Dribble by Sir Macyan. Ibibigay kay Sir Rasi. 3-2 situation. Side step in. Lazy Rap. Dribble pa rin niya. Tututok po. Tatangin na bot. Same ball. Shot clock is down to 13. Sir Fernan. Oy! Huli ka. Huli ng police. Is stepping on the line.
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan!
3 minutes. Sir Bronyosa, crossover. Speed move, Lazy Rap. Sibo, matagtang nilok na ako doon. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Mabasa dalawang hinahabol. Sir Rasi, bibigay kay Sir Fernan. Didiskarte. Ibabalik kay Sir Rasi. Shot clock is down to 15. To Sir Villamor. Shot clock is down to 10. Sir Macyan fires from 3. Wala. Rebound para kay Sir Fernan. Boarding. Wala. Rebound pa rin niya. Shot clock is down to 10. Sir Villamor fake to Sir Rasi. Fires from 3. And 3 points. Basket para sa team ng Coral. Mabasa tatlo. Last 2 minutes. Sir Rasi, no look pass, passing the back. Pakawal Sir Katabuna. Gusto mong aboy. Ang ganda pasa pa kay Sir Bronyosa. Lazy Rap. Mapapatay mo dyan.
Naman yan!
1 minute and 46 seconds.
Alam mo na foul, walang foul!
Both team penalty. Paalala, both team penalty. Sir Villamor sa mid-range. Wala. Sir Fernan para sa pang-28 na rebound. Rebound Sir Losares. And there's a foul. Sir Fernan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Warning for graduate. Penalty. Penalty rep. Wala ang unang buslo. Pangalawang buslo, makapasok kaya. Ready to the jump for the last and final throw. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Sir Villamor, binato kay Sir Macjan. Pass to Sir Fernan, Diniscarte. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Shot clock is down to 15. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Sir Torres! Grabe yung galaw na yun. Sir Losares, Diniscarte, umikot. Ibibigay Sir Mendoza. Pass to Sir Bonganoy. Shot clock is down to 15. 10 seconds to shoot. Gandang Peknon on the move. Pumali pa! Grabe! Gandang laban talaga. 57 seconds. Dead clock na naman tayo. Tie game na naman. All 93. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. Rebound para kay Sir Badabuna. Sir Bronyosa nagmamadali. Anong gagawin? Nasunod tayo sa Sir Macjan. Sir Villamor. 25 seconds. Foul! Counted! Get the basket. May kasama pang foul. 23 seconds. Paalala, Cora Longs, may isa pang timeout. Cora Longs, may isa pang timeout. Red Lion, wala ng timeout.
Sa Carino, walang basket timeout. Sa Carino, wala.
Wala. Makukuha sa Mendoza. Masusunod na. Sir, oy! Nakapula. Makukuha sa Sir muna. Nagmamadali. Ibibigay sa Mendoza. Pass to Sir Losares. 2 points. 11 seconds. 11 seconds.
Ano bang ginagawa?
Sir Macjan, nagmamadali. Ibibigay Sir Villamor. Sir Villamor, anong gagawin? Iubusin oras. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Pasa na lang ang maririnig nyo. Merong kumamot kahit hindi makati. Makita ko yun.
Tama lang yun. Ayoko na.
Pag ganun, sir, ano?
May kumakamot. Para sa Team Coral, Sir Bronyosa, third personal foul ka na. Sir Rasi, crossover, masusunutan. Makukuha nino. Sir Torres, basket. Nangingi pa ng foul. Sir Bronyosa, nagmamadali. Anong gagawin? Up and under. Walang basket. Makukuha ni Sir Torres. Crossover. Side stepping. Laser up. Foul by Sir Mendoza. Sir Mendoza. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Kailangan magkatulog.
May next game pa tayo. First shot is good. Balik sa tatlo ang kalamangan. Basket substitution tayo rin. Basket substitution. No good. Rebound by Sir Bronyosa. Sir Bronyosa umikot. Behind the back. Iwan ang tatlo. Anong gagawin? Papasabay si Sir Ras. Nasusablay. Tatlo ang kalamangan. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Nawawala sa dribble. Out of bounds. Bola ng Coral. Substitution ulit. Substitution.
Wala na. Isang tayo ulit. Okay.
Tatlo ang kalamangan.
Sir, pag ako mo nakaban, pwede bang kayo na lang parehas panalo? Ay,
Sa Bonganoy, lazy rap is good. Rebound para kay Sir Bonganoy. Bola ng Coral. 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Tag-isang timeout and both team penalty.
Pasa natin na magpapilaya.
Sir Carino on the boat, side stepping to Sir Cadabuna. Lamang na po ang team ng Coral. Lamang na ang team Coral. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Sir Fernan, mama. Foul. Down lang tayo pero penalty situation na po tayo. 2 shot para kay Sir Fernand. First personal foul, penalty.
Parang kailangan ko na magdasal. Sino mananalo? Kanina pinagdasal ko na sana. Wala lang purple.
Sir.
Parang ini-even.
First one is good. All tie na po tayo. Tied na po tayo. Tied game na naman. Parang may pangatlo pang overtime. Substitution. Substitution.
Graduate ka na, di ba?
Sir Garabuna. Piniskarte. Ibibigay Sir Carino. Anong gagawin? Pinato sa 3. Points! Naman po ng dalawa.
Sabang muna tayo. Rinig na rinig ka.
Oh! Gandang kalaw po ni Kurtay Minansitan. Sir Garabuna. Nagmamadali. Ibibigay kay Sir. Jersey number 0. Basket. Lamang na po ng 4. Sir Fernand. Anong gagawin? Binabantay ng dalawa. Shot clock is down 15. Masusunod 10 seconds to shoot. Pinato kay Sir Ras. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul by jersey number 9. Sir Bro. First one is good. Second shot. Ready to the jump for the last and final throw. It's good. Dalawa na lang po ang inahabol. Parang nangangamoy tatlong overtime.
Tama na!
2 minutes and 20 seconds. Sir Carino, in and out. Pass para sa second na masunulak. Taong man ni Sir Torres. Sir Torres to serve. Ay, nawala bala, Sir. Binabaw for 3. Wala. Sir Brunyosa. Ibinato kay Sir Carino. 2-1 situation. Lazy run. Slow motion. Sir Rasi, pass to Sir Torres, back to Sir Rasi, to Sir Villamor. 1 minute and 45 seconds out of bounds. 16 seconds to shoot. 16 second shot clock. 16 second shot clock. 1 minute and 44 seconds. Dalawa pa rin ang kalamangan. Sir Rasi, lazy run. Foul by Sir Gadabuna. Second personal foul, penalty.
Sabi ko sa'yo, butong tayo dito alas 10 eh. Hindi pwede, may point kami ng 10.
First one is no good.
Suntukan na lang. Sapatos na
Second
lang.
one is good. Isa na lang ang hinahabol. Paalala lang nga, 3 sa Red Lions ang warning for runway. Isa para sa Coral. Both team may tag-isang timeout. Sir Brunyosa on the move. Mawawala ang bola. Shot clock is down to 5 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Ayan na! Grabe yung galaw ni sa Carino. Sir Bongano. Sir Bongano, i-atake. Shot clock is down to 10. Side step in. Meron foul. Coming from Sir Villamor. Two shot para kay Sir Bonganoy. 52 seconds. Walang maabang-aba. Walang maabang-aba. Dalawa na ang kalamangan. 52 seconds.
Tama muna, tip. Sakto na, sakto.
rebound ni Sir Fernand. Pass to Sir Ras. Sir Ras ang babalala ang bilis. Lazy Ramoy! Nahuli ng ating referee. Sir Macyan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Warning for graduate ka na rin.
Jesus Christ.
46 seconds. 46 seconds. Dalawang kalabangan.
Pabola!
Servo Manoy, diniskarte. 35 seconds. Oy, foul by jersey number 99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Happy graduation. 2 shot para Servo Manoy.
Sino graduate?
Basket, nakakalamangan. Gandang laban, parang finals.
Coral na panalo dyan.
32 seconds, 32 seconds. Parang finals ang laban na to. Wala, makakuha ni Sir Fernand. Ito lang ang alaman. Foul by Sir. 29 seconds. First shot is good. First one is good.
Wala naman te. Dalawa na. Sumubo na kayo, Red Lion.
Paalala red. Ay, Coral, may isa pang timeout. Coral, may isa pang timeout. 1, 2.
Ayun na.
29 seconds.
Uy, nalululak si Brisbane.
20 seconds. Isa ang kalamangan.
Hawak lang, hawak! Matagal pa yan!
10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot.
Ina!
And 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Nasututan. Sega na muna. Makakuha sa pinalo. Oras! Tumakbo na si Rep. Ayaw na ni Rep. Ang nadalo. Ang Coral Hawks. Grabe yung laban na yun. Dalawang overtime.
Ano ba pinik?
Inay sa lang.